Today we're going to be installing this unique front disc guard from Bulletproof Designs. Hey guys, welcome back to the Bulletproof Designs channel. We're back in Southern California at Three Brothers Racing, the nation's largest KTM and Husqvarna dealership. Today we're going to be installing some Bulletproof Designs guards on this 2020 KTM 450 XCF. The Bulletproof Designs front disc guard protects against the front rotor and also the lower fork lugs, but you are still able to access the bottom of the fork adjusters through this access hole on the bottom of the guard. The front disc guard is available in the silver or a hard anodized colors that are also available on our website. To install the front disc guard, we're going to need three simple tools. First is a 17mm wrench, second a 10mm T-handle, and third a 6mm Allen key. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install the front disc guard on the KTM 450 XCF. Thanks to our friends at Three Brothers Racing in Southern California for helping us out. The front disc guard is going to provide us better protection from rocks, roots, ruts, anything that comes our way on the track or the trails. So as always, check us out on social media, follow our website, and be sure to check back soon for more updates from Bulletproof Designs.